Cumbre is a starting point for any project file that you may need to create for a client or for yourself. What's it used for? Well, pretty much anything. You can use it to start building a website for a store, for a lawyer, for a doctor, or for a food truck. Pretty much anything that you want, it's there for you. Everything is fully hooked up and ready for you to start building. It has most of the pages that you could possibly need for any website that you need to build. Cumbre comes with about 20 pages that are fully developed and SEO helper ready to go. Each page uses macros from Total CMS that are controlled from the admin side of the website, and you have complete control over the look and feel of your website, and a lot of it you can control from the admin portal itself. Well, of course you need Stacks 5, Foundation 6, Total CMS, SEO Helper and Offsite, as well as the Swatch Pack for Foundation 6. These are the common page types that I have found that most of my clients have required from a wide range of business types. Each page type has its own admin page for you to customize settings. Each page also allows you to customize the page title, which is what shows up in the tab above. Every page of a CMS blog is fully set up and integrated with SEO Helper to improve your SEO presence on Google. Even the FAQ is powered by the blog list. Each page type has its own unique and shared characteristics. Each page, of course, is fully customizable. To set up each of these pages with their own unique blog list, blog post, and then admin, blog list, and blog form pages could take a long time. With Cumbre, everything is already set up and ready for you to start designing. Blog form pages have common SEO requirements, but they can also be customized. The drinks menu blog form, for instance, has a field called ingredients that allows you to enter the different ingredients for each drink. The ingredients are separated by commas. This version of Cumbre, which is version 1.01, is a more streamlined and user-friendly version of Cumbre. I received feedback and realized that the project file may be too overwhelming for most users. When you open the project file, you'll be on the Start Here page. Underneath is Legend and Holding Box. The legend shows color codes for pen stacks used in the project file and other helpful information to understand the project file as you develop it. Holding Box is a place for you to keep different versions of various components that you may want to use throughout the project file. You can use this page to store different versions of components on your website that you are currently working on and wish to further develop while having a different version on the page. I've streamlined the number of pages that you see right away to 6. You have Home Blog, Admin, Sitemap, 404, and Sandbox. If you click on Unused Pages, you'll notice that it looks like it's an empty page, and that's because it is. If you click on the tab furthest to the left, you'll notice that this checkbox for draft has been checked. This means that the page will not publish. If you set a page as a child of unused pages, it will also be automatically set to draft. And if you were to drag that page out of unused pages, the page will not be draft anymore, so it will publish if you publish the project file. If you twirl down the unused pages, you'll notice all the other page types fall underneath it. If you have a project file and want to start a new website with an About Us page, you can easily select and drag this page out. This will set the page to be published instead of a draft. If you don't need the page type, you can drag it down and place it under the unused pages. It will not be published. One thing to notice about the page structure within Cumbre is the hierarchy of the pages. For instance, the home page has one subpage underneath it. This is the admin page where you can control the settings of the home page. Now, if you notice, the folder for this page is called the admin home page. You don't need to know this because when you go to the admin page from your website, it'll be whatever your domain name is, /admin. All admin subpages are fed into your project through an offsite stack by Weaverspace. This allows your project file to have a very simple and clean interface. Other page types, such as the blog, need a blog view page. This page contains the blog post stack. The blog page also has an admin page, like the home page. This admin page allows you to adjust settings for the blog page that your users will see. These settings include the banner title, banner subtitle, and gallery images for the banner. You can set the page title, page link, title, page description, and page social share card for each page. Since this is a blog, it also has its own admin blog for the list as well as the blog form edit page. This same structure for pages and hierarchy is throughout the entire project. Cumbre is designed to make it easy for you to create a website quickly. You can open the project, remove unnecessary pages, publish the files to your server, and have a fully functioning website in just a few minutes, depending on the number of pages you have, so you can start to add content and begin fleshing out your website to make it look however beautiful you want. Again, Cumbre is a starting point. Yes, you could use this as a fairly functional website, but why stop here? Use this project file to customize it to your liking and create something even more stunning than what it initially offers. Impress both yourself and your clients with a truly beautiful website without having to worry about all the technical setup.